Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff. And here it is, Friday, December 20th of 2019. And it is the last day of the year. Well, not really. It's the last day before winter break, which then coincides with the last day of the school year, or I should say calendar year. So when you come back to school, it will be 2020. But still have to come to school, still be in the same grade, so nothing different with that. Just be a new year. So our morning announcements for today, we have our winter parties that will be happening at 1:30 to 1:55 today. And then after 1:55, when you get dismissal at 2:05, then it's winter break, and then we won't see you till January 6th. So hopefully everyone has a great break. Hopefully has some good times, and we'll look forward for all of you to come back on that day so we can see all the fun stuff that happened to you over winter break. For our December birthdays, we do not have any more December birthdays. Remember from yesterday I made an announcement for all those December birthdays, but we do have a January 1st birthday that I can make an announcement for because we'll still be on break at that time. So Lily Bain, happy birthday to you. You are New Year's baby, so you get a bonus of ringing in the new year also along with your birthday. So have a great day on January 1st. And our lunch choices for today would be cheese pizza, chicken enchiladas, or Italian sandwich. And we do have a riddle for today, and there could be a couple different answers for here, but I'm kind of looking for one in particular. I can probably take two. That would make sense to me. So, who is never hungry at Christmas time? So, who is never hungry at Christmas time? And I'll give you a hint. So, the hint on this one, it is an animal. So, it would be an animal, and there is a reason why that animal is never hungry at Christmas time. And our fourth grade students are sharing things of kindness as we kind of wrap up the things about giving gifts of kindness over Christmas.
All right, boys and girls, teachers and staff, we're finishing up our kindness parts of our gift giving for Christmas. So we have some examples of kindness that you can do over the holidays.
Don't make fun of people of their skin color because we're all humans. Don't bully people if they're different. If you don't like people, don't just be mean to them for no reason.
Those are good examples.
Thank you guys, I appreciate that. And then also at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, time to stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And everybody have a great Friday. Have a great day here at Perry Elementary on our last day of this year. And when you come back on January 6th, it'll be a new year. And then you have to share with everybody all the exciting things that you did over break. Have a wonderful day.